Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can connect your Bluetooth speakers of any Bluetooth audio device into your PC or your laptop based on Windows 11 operating system. So all you have to do now, you can go to the settings on your Windows. You can click settings, click system, and here we go. This is the sound option. You can click it. So in order to add new device, you can click on pair a new output device. You can click add device now and add device by the kind of device you want to add. In this case is Bluetooth audio devices, mice, keyboard, phone, and pads control, and more based on Bluetooth connector. Here you can click. Here's something to try on the Windows device to run Bluetooth. If device support Bluetooth, but you can't turn it on, try to update your driver through Windows Update in the settings. Here, feel free to try. Connect your device into your PC or your laptop via Bluetooth. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and circle the text button below. See you in the next video.